I'm Miriam, and welcome to Storytime from the Hub. Today's story is So What's It Like to Be a Cat? Let's get started. So, what's it like to be a cat? I'm very glad you asked me that. Day begins, for cats like me, as the world sleeps quietly. I wake up in the friendly dark, long, long before the sun is bright. It is the middle of the night, and slipping out on silent feet, I search for something nice to eat. The hall is dark, your dishes too. I'd be afraid if I were you. The dark hides a lot of scary stuff. Dear questioner, I've heard enough. The hall is dark. That's very true, but I can see as well as you when the lights are on. So, I will eat till I feel fed, then tiptoe softly back to bed. Do you have a kitty bed with your picture at the head? I do not have a kitty bed to rest my kitty tail and head. I'd rather sleep most anywhere that's warm and soft. A couch, a chair, a sleeping loft, I'll curl up there. And once you're curled, you will not stir, but napped compactly wrapped in fur. Meow and howl. When they all get up for breakfast in your early morning house, do you sleep or will you join them? For some breakfast, bits a mouse. A cat has her habits and a human has his. As for getting up for breakfast, I don't know what breakfast is. My dog is always glad to see me. He barks, good day, and shares his bone. But cats are private creatures who are happier left alone. Of course I trust and also wish no one forgets to fill my dish. A bit of fish might be delish. I understand you sleep a lot, but once in a while I leap a lot. Cats have moods like many creatures, mothers, fathers, tigers and teachers. So when I feel the need to prance, I'll run and whisk my tail and dance. And do you roar? Please tell me more. To do you roar, I have this answer. I am a very silent dancer. I whip through doors and slip through alleys. Bounce and pounce and slide and sally. Rush and run and twirl and spring at you, my tail, or anything. I whisk my whiskers, pound my paws. But why? Because that is a part of me. Sometimes a feline must fly free. We know you live with people. Ah, yes, a few. Do you like them? Do they like you? With my cat-like dignity, it never was occurred to me to wonder what do they think of me. At times they're dumb, at times they're sweet. They balance nicely on their feet. I do not think that I could do half as well ordinarily too. But can they nap as fast as you? They cannot do what I can do. They do not nap, or leap, or lie as gracefully or as well as I. They look peculiar with no fur. They do not simply sit and purr. Instead they stomp around and yell, but none the